There are 6 parts here, 4 parts look like jigsaw pieces. And at the first glance, it looks quite easy. You just put these jigsaw pieces together and create 4 walls of the cube. But once you start assembling the puzzle, you will notice that it is not that easy, since it's kind of a dexterity challenge, and you can easily make 4 walls, but then there are 2 extra parts that seem impossible to put inside, since there is this cutout in each piece and you have to stick this part inside of the cutout. But when there are 4 of those, it seems totally impossible to put it inside. And when you try to do that, the parts will probably fall apart. And even if you figure out the way how to fit the 5th piece in, there is still one more part that you have to put from the bottom, and that makes it even more challenging. This is the Jigsaw Box Puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to assemble a cube. If you like the Jigsaw Box Puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. First of all, I start from making the walls like that. Now the interesting part. You have to put these 2 pieces, and they are the most difficult, since you can put one of them like that and assemble 4 walls around it. But then there is last part that doesn't fit easily, and if you try to stick it in, you can put it only from one side, but then everything will be falling apart. So what you're doing here is you're moving each and every piece just one step like that. As you can see, they moved a little bit. Then you grab the last piece, you put it between of these parts, but you have to hold everything together because it will try to fall apart. And the next step is the most interesting step in the puzzle. You have to move all 4 walls at the same time in order to close them properly, and the puzzle will be solved. So it will look like, oh, I think that I already ruined my solution. So this shifts a little bit here, this shifts a little bit here, this piece goes in between, then I grab another piece, I put it like that, and now when everything is ready, I just put them all together and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, it's quite a tricky dexterity challenge, requires some coordinated motion, but at the end you have a box that was made from jigsaw pieces. If you like the Jigsaw Box Puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.